Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is July 21st, 2024, and we've got a lineup of fascinating stories for you. Links to all the stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Tesla has announced a significant update to its full self-driving FSD software. The latest version promises enhanced navigation capabilities and improved safety features. The update includes better lane keeping, more accurate object detection, and a smoother driving experience overall. This is a big step forward in Tesla's mission to make autonomous driving a reality. In other news, Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin has hit a new production milestone. The factory has now produced over 500,000 vehicles since it opened. This achievement underscores Tesla's rapid expansion and its commitment to scaling up production to meet growing demand. The Berlin Gigafactory is a key part of Tesla's strategy to dominate the European market. Switching gears to energy, Tesla's solar roof installations have seen a significant uptick. The company reports a 30% increase in installations compared to the same period last year. This surge is attributed to rising energy costs and increased consumer interest in sustainable energy solutions. Tesla's solar roof is designed to seamlessly integrate with home architecture while providing efficient energy generation. On the financial front, Tesla's stock has been on a roller coaster ride. After a brief dip, the stock has rebounded and is now trading at an all-time high. Analysts attribute this surge to strong quarterly earnings and positive market sentiment around Tesla's future growth prospects. Investors are particularly optimistic about Tesla's advancements in AI and battery technology. In the realm of AI, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is making headlines. The company has revealed that Dojo is now fully operational and is being used to train its neural networks for autonomous driving. Dojo's immense computational power allows Tesla to process vast amounts of data more efficiently, accelerating the development of its AI systems. This is a crucial development in Tesla's quest to achieve full autonomy. Lastly, Tesla has unveiled a new feature for its mobile app that allows owners to remotely control various aspects of their vehicles. The app update includes the ability to start and stop charging, adjust climate control settings, and even summon the car from a parking spot. This added convenience is sure to be a hit with Tesla owners who value the seamless integration of technology into their daily lives. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates as exciting as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights into the world of Tesla and technology. Until then, stay charged and drive safe.